Hello YouTube, this is Jose and the following is Lab 5 Password Cracking with John the Ripper and Hashcat Professor Mickey.
In cryptanalysis, computer security password cracking is the process of recovering password from data that has been stored or transmitted by a computer. Password cracking is utilized to gain access to digital evidence to which a judge has allowed access to. Those of you that don't know, password hashing is when cache in a device, the cache files in the device, are converted into cryptographic files, which are random strings of characters mathematically transformed. How this lab works is by using software to try to guess the hash and running those to the same function. Because hackers cannot reverse a function created by such and such, but they can certainly run, in this case, for the purpose of this lab, is we're running.
John the Ripper and Hashcat, the software that's going to allow us to get the hashes from the text file.
Yeah. First, I gotta log into Kali right here. So root, username is root, password is tour, T-O-O-R. In the new terminal window, observe the options available for the Zool tool. This tool is used to gather tests from a website. Like I said, yes, this tool is to gather the information from a website. That's what I meant by such and such. In this case, we're using the Zool tool from a Linux system to gather tests. And we're gonna click on here. W O W A S B words dot txt. This is the command that I'm entering. One hundred 168.12. So we about have 1 or 2 minutes until the prompt reappears before continuing to the next step. And the following command, which is crunch for 4 characters and maximum of 8 characters in length, made up of all letters of the alphabet in lowercase only. I'm about to enter the command right now. So the command is crunch 4 space HR TXT. Enter. Right here it says crunch will not generate the following number lines, which is 409 megabytes. It's supposed to say this. Now we're at step number 12, which is add the password list from John the Ripper into the combined mylist.txt file. And we're going to be doing that by entering the following command, which is so here it is. I tried it several times and I was making an error. It was saying error, no such file directory. I found out that this is not, it says it looks like a 1 right here. It looks like a 1, but it's actually, that's an L. It worked. No error.
Basically here we're creating 2 accounts, fake 3 and fake 4. And we're going to add a username and password.
Password. enter again, retype new unit's password. Password is the password. Updated successfully. Okay, next step. Confirm that new users have password assigned to them in the /etc/shadow file by entering the following command.
This is the hash file or hash function. This how it looks. It's called hash function when input such as normal letters and words are jumbled together through a hash function in cryptography to be jumbled together so that it cannot be cracked. And this is just the hash function right there.
The hash passwords are here. This is the hash. Step number 9. Combine the two files and make updates to the user's credentials, both /etc/password what PASSWD and /etc/shadow. We're gonna use the following command. Boom. There it is. Edit the hashes.tsc file so that it is narrowed down to only 2 accounts that need to be cracked. Okay. So that's about right. It looks about right. No error, so it should be good. So now to view the contents of the hashes2.txt file, I'm going to enter the following command. Enter. And
Just isolated the two hashes from the other ones because these two hashes were the ones we're gonna be cracking using John the Ripper later on.
we're going to use John's default password list to try to crack the password in the hashes2.txt file. And success! We completed. Session completed. You see here, John the Ripper was able to crack the passwords for the two users, which were Fake3 and Fake4. Here's the password
Right
for
here, the
Fake4.
password were
Here's the
cracked by
password
John the
for
Ripper.
Fake3.
Password.
Fake3.
Here are the passwords you see right here.
Last step would be to use Hashcat.
And the software John the Ripper was able to crack it. Now we're gonna go to leaf pad.
Hashcat can be used for advanced password cracking. Enter the command below to become familiar with the options made available.
In the next step, we're using Hashcat to be used for advanced password cracking. And here we just open the new file, deleted the, and save this file as hash3 text to be cracked with the other software, which is Hashcat.
Well, the hashes have been recovered right here.